Getting the "you need to format the disk" error when you plug in your drive? Don't worry, your data isn't gone yet. In this video, I'll show you safe and easy ways to fix this error without losing your files. First, we will try fixing the disk using command prompt. Search for CMD on your computer. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. Click Yes to allow permission. Now, copy the first command shown in the video description. Check disk, drive letter /F. Paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V, then press Enter. Next, copy the second command from the description. Check disk, drive letter /R. Paste it again using Ctrl+V and press Enter. Now wait patiently until the process is fully completed. This may take some time, so don't close the window. Once it's done, type Exit and press Enter. Solution 2. Recover files using Find and Mount tool. If the issue is still not fixed, try this method to recover your files. Open any web browser. Search for Find and Mount and press Enter. Open the first link from the search results. Click on Download Find and Mount. Then click on Download Partition Find. Choose a download location and start the download. After the download is complete, click Open File. Click Yes to allow permission. Now click Next. Click Next again. Click Next again. Click Next once more. Now click Install. After installation is finished, click Finish. Next, right-click on your USB device inside the tool. Click on Scan. Select Thorough Scan. Then click Scan. Wait until the scanning process is completed. Once done, click Close. You will now see a recovered partition. Right-click on that partition and mount it. After mounting, open the disk and easily copy all your files to a safe location. That's it. Your disk issue should now be fixed or your files recovered. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.